On your mark.
Get
Get set.
Hey, go! No, here comes
There comes Trackmaster Thomas. Motorized Thomas. Emily. Dave. Billy.
Hey, what the track city? Let's see what decided.
You are. Okay, let me show them the entire wooden track because this thing is pretty big. Look at this, guys. It's kind of starting over here. We have like the Chipman sheds, right? We have like the sheds over here, and then we have 3 different branch lines going out and curling all the way around, looping around, going around. And then we have some more engines over here, and we have some engines lined up over here. Wait! These naughty engines!
It's wrong.
This is breaking out. It's like a horse race.
Yeah. Horse race.
Wait, was there somebody in here?
Yeah, Jay.
There's Percy.
Ready?
We can make it up the hill. Wait for us, Miles. We're watching Percy. Look, he's made it. Wait for us. Oh my god. Good job, Percy!
Look, I think comments on Jay.
Oh, so it's like a tag race where you get to tag your partner and they go.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's how you do it.
There goes Billy. I think he's catching up with Percy. Percy, let's see if he can make it over this little bridge. Go, Percy! Oh, Billy's stuck, Miles. There goes Percy by all the fans watching. He's about to tag. Come on. Ah,
Tag. Stop him.
this guy's a little faster. Sorry about that. He's going past this, what's his, Knapford Station? So we have Motorized Thomas going, Trackmaster Billy stuck on the bridge. There goes Percy. No, sorry. I meant James. We have lots of nice greenery over here.
Oh no! These, how much? These?
Is it ready?
No.
On your mark.
Get
Get set.
Hey, go! No, here comes
There comes Trackmaster Thomas. Motorized Thomas. Emily. Dave. Billy. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. I think there's a fire somewhere on Sodor.
Get some more in these off. Get some more in these off.
Oh, Emily's doing really well. Oh no, she got stuck under the bridge. Maybe Motorized Thomas. There we go. There she goes. Oh,
Oh no, I think I crashed.
Emily was doing really well.
Here goes another engine to the town.
Travel on the track!
Here comes the almost on me. Just in time. The normal time.
Emily's so sweet, helping out her friend Percy.
I see Thomas crash off the way.
Uh-oh, there's a traffic jam over there. Uh-oh, go help. Emily's derailed. Emily's derailed. You better do something.
Oh no! Traffic! Lily, this way. You this way. You up this way. Traffic jam. Yellow fall down. Traffic jam. Do traffic. Going down. Traffic. Do traffic. No. Traffic.
Oh my gosh.
Really?
Oh, Emily and Motorized Thomas are doing well. Let's see if they can make it through. I don't know if Emily can make it up, but here comes Motorized. You can do it, Thomas. Ooh, nice little slide there, Tyler. See if Emily can make it. Oh, she's... Oh no, I don't know if he can make it. Look, he's stuck. Look at Thomas. Look at Thomas right here. Look at him. You gotta see this, Maya. Look. We can do it, Thomas.
There goes that. It's a red plastic in the can. Then you go back.
You can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it.
Then you go back.
Oh, he did it. See, just one little push.
Then you go back to the
Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. We haven't tried all of it, actually. Oh. Where are you going, Thomas?
Go back to the shed.
Yeah, everybody back to the shed. Why do you keep going?
Everyone back to the shed.
James.
No one's ready.
They all need some help. After this, we can try some wooden ones. Let's make the longest wooden train ever, Mile. With all the wooden ones, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But first, all the track buttons and guys have to get something in the shed.
Oh, Percy's stuck. Percy's stuck. Can you make it?
Percy.
Oh, nice one too, Mile.
Oh no, did you crash into us?
Oh, the door is open so he can't get... Oh! What is he doing?
No! The bucket in the shed.
Percy.
The
Motorized Percy is the slowest engine I think we've ever had. And now he's stuck.
I'm still on the track.
Hey guys, what you doing over there? Oh! We have a special guest appearance by our car from Cars.
How about mommy and me make the same?
Okay. So we're gonna take all these, like these kind of ones, and set them up to make the longest one ever.
No, I'm gonna help you, Mama.
Okay, so we'll do one together. Oh yes, we got James, we got the weather tracker. Sorry, I'm dropping trees. No!
Motorized Thomas is the helper. Okay. I don't know. I can make the biggest train, wooden train.
Hey, I'm helping you too. Me too, me too. Ooh, I found Dodge. He can go in there too.
So this big Arthur can be this small baby Arthur, and the big Arthur can be his mama. How about that, Mama? That
Okay. Okay, this is getting crazy because it keeps falling off the track. So let me pull it up a little bit.
Oh no, they're locked.
Wait, Thomas, wait. These are running off. Okay.
He's just
Here we
running away.
This one's not working.
Running away, running
Let's get Dodge in there.
Okay.
What are you doing? You're making it crazy.
Motorized Thomas. Motorized Thomas has to scoot.
Okay, yeah, scoot your boot. What's so funny? What's so funny?
Look, that's the red.
Oh! Okay, maybe we should put a big engine in the middle of these.
Okay.
Because maybe they're not strong.
I like Henry.
Yeah, like put Henry up there and we'll put some of these back here. So, and then connect that. Oh. What about him?
Oh, yeah. But no.
What? Why not?
Because he's too.
He can. Oh, look. Look. Here, put them on.
Scoot your belly. Scoot your belly. No.
We're not done yet, though.
Scoot your belly.
I'm sitting on trees. I'm sitting on trees. Thomas, you gotta move up a little bit. Oh no, this is bad.
Then we got Percy,
Storm Tracker.
Storm Tracker, Henry, James, Oil, Cargo, Thomas, Cargo, Solar, Oil Truck, Thomas, Breakdown Train, Coach, Red Coach, Ukumatulika,
Okumaskalitska.
Dodge, Ukumatulika,
Dodge.
Ukumatulika, Ukumaska, Arthur, Ukumatulika,
Oh, Arthur.
Ukumaska,
Oh! And then we have a breakdown train and the rest are coaches. And Mayo destroyed this. Mayo, you knocked him over. What is happening? Huh, Stinkerfoot? What's happening?
Yeah.
Mayo just made the longest train ever. Okay, can you start Motorized Percy so we can see if they can make it? And then, wait, let them catch up. So we have this train is going all the way there.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
Okay, ready guys?
Ready. In my life.
I don't think Percy's ready. You could do it, Percy. Let's see.
No!
Okay, let's pull it really slowly without Percy. Let's do Thomas. Let me put James.
I think we do one.
Let me do it with James.
I think we do one. I think we could do one at a time.
Okay, here, put him.
I
We
think
can do this. We can do it. Let's try it one more time.
Ready, set, and go.
Okay, it's too hard. It's too hard.
Oh no, oh man, order coming in the middle. No.
Ooh. You're doing it. You're doing it. You're doing it, Mayo.
What?
How are you doing it?
Daddy, what the thing is good? No! Daddy,
Okay, I'll take the back. Slowly. Oh no. Here we
I
are.
do that in my
The
life.
breakdown train saved him. Oh my god, yes.
I knew this would happen in my life.
With your life.
Yeah.
Your silly life.
I knew they would happen in my life.
Don't worry, the breakdown chain's here.
Here they go, choo-choo. Let's see who is going to make it. Oh no, oh man. Oh man. It is sliding.
Ooh, see that's working better. I think the other one was just too many. It's working good now, just do that many. Because if you put too many, then it keeps getting stuck.
Oh yeah.
So I think that's a good amount. Try that. Try see if you can make that train go.
Okay, let's leave those engines on out. Okay. We can mount the engines. Oh no, the mount of engine flowers. I got it up. The mount of engine, I'll make it up. Oh, no, they're not smooth. I'm out the mover.
Ah!
I'm out the mover.
Knock them down. Knock them down.
Okay.
They're not being really used, so they're causing confusion and delay. Ah! So Topamizer not happy.
Oh, yeah. And
So Thomas is coming out of here.
so
And he's gonna go. Woo! It's really windy. And he's gonna come down here. He's gonna go around. And he's gonna go through the soda power station. There he is. Hello. Get you out. You're stuck. Guys, he's stuck in there. Get me out! Help! I'm stuck! Get me out!
Oh,
I can't get him out. See,
you got him done.
And then he's coming around.
Started. Sorry.
Woo! And then he's gonna go on his bridge. Oh no, he knocked the bridge over.
Go this way. Go this way. Yeah.
You need to win.
What do I call it? The bell. Let's put it there.
Oh, hello, Bertie. Hello, Bulgy. I'm on my way to the steamworks today.
I'm on my way. I'm on the work.
Oh, there's the water tower. I better fill up.
No, that's not the water tower.
What is that?
A tasty.
What's that water tower to me?
This is the water tower.
Oh, I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Ah, he can't make it. He's too big.
After the game.
Too big. So we're gonna jump him.
I hope you're up for making a wooden track with me. Bye. Hi.
Bye-bye. Bye now.